Hello, I'm Chris, one of the technical trainers here at Stratasys. In this video, I'll discuss the Thicken Thin Walls model setting. Let's get started. It is used when a model has walls that are thinner than can be printed with the selected model tip. To understand what is the minimum wall thickness, it helps to understand what the minimum wall thickness for a model is. A wall requires a minimum of 2 contours or toolpaths to print, and generally the toolpath width is twice the slice height. This is a general rule, true for materials like ASA or ABS, but not for all materials. For example, a T16 tip printing ASA on a Fortis 450 MC will have a slice height of 0.1 of an inch. Walls that are thinner than the minimum wall thickness will print, but one of the contours will not be closed. If the wall thickness is less than 1 toolpath in width, the wall will be open. If the part cannot be printed using a smaller slice height, the option Thicken Thin Walls can be applied to adjust for the wall thickness. To apply the Thicken Thin Walls option, select the part that you will apply it to, choose the model settings on the toolbar to the right, and select the Thicken Thin Walls option. Next, select the Slice Preview to process the file with the option enabled and review each slice layer to review the part. In regions where your walls are thin, you will see that they are now 2 contours wide. To recap, in this video, you learned that the Thicken Thin Walls option will expand walls to the minimum build thickness for thin wall elements that otherwise would not print. And using this option, it may affect the part's geometry and change the overall dimensions of the part. Thanks for watching. To learn more, watch the other GrabCAD Print training videos from Stratasys Academy.